Alright, now we're going to do an instructional video on When I'm 64, Lennon McCartney in C. When I get old and losing my hair many years from now. So it's got the C major chord bouncing back with that G, you know, on the bass. When I get older, losing my hair many years from now, to the G major. And there's you're gonna play around with it, whatever your preference is, but you know, some kind of bebop scale or something to fill that fill. Will you still be sending me a Valentine? That's in G. Then G7, birthday greeting. Back to the C. And there's sort of this bottle of wine. If it'd been out till 2:45. Then the C dominant 7. Would you lock the door to F major? Now here we go with the G sharp. Will you still need me? F sharp, G sharp to C, then to A. So will you still need me? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me? Oh, I'm having a brain fog here. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me? That's it. So we've got the G sharp to C to A to D. What is it? D9 sort of. So it comes out of that onto the G. When I'm 64. Back to this, the tonic or the root note C, or C major, yeah. When I get old, blah, 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 that's C, you know, then it goes to G. You figured out. Will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greeting, bottle of wine. If I've been out till 2:45, C7, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Woo! And we've got a chorus with the A minor. Every time a week I rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight, if it's not too dear. So what that is A minor to an F major, go up a whole step to G major, and then a whole step up to the A minor. Every summer we can rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight, if it's not too dear. So that's A minor. The A7, when the melody peaks up, and then goes over to the E major. You could play with the Piccadilly third there, from the minor to the major. Add some accent notes. That's all in the A minor. And if you D minor, say the words. And sometimes I like to walk that D down. Say the words. I could. So F to the G, stay with. Back to C, the tonic. You Send me a postcard, drop me a line stating point of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me an answer, fill in a form, mine forevermore. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? I like to play a G13 there, so get a little extra feeling. When I'm 64, it also foreshadows the big finale. And then you go into the second, chorus. Every summer we can rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight if it's not too dear. We shall scrib and save. Ah, grandchildren on your knee. Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Will you still need me? Will you still feel